Meat and condiment curry is today's kitchen recipe. Make our easy meat curry and serve with a hunk of naan bread to mop up the delicious juices. If you prefer it less spicy, simply add less chili powder or half pocket of Shan Masala. So watch for an easy and quick recipe. Ingredients: beef chicken mutton 1 to 1.5 kg, cubes with bones. Onion 1 medium, sliced. Garlic 10 to 15 cloves, coarsely chopped. Ginger 2 tablespoons, finely chopped 2 inches piece. Oil ghee 1 cup 175 milliliters. Shan Doplaza masala mix 1 packet. Steps of cooking: start heating the oil and add onion, meat, garlic, and ginger. Tomato paste is optional, you can use it if you like, otherwise continue with the given ingredients. Then add Shan Doplaza masala mix. Fry for about 10 minutes. Add 1 to 2 glasses of water and cook until meat is tender. And that's our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.